In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to restore deleted posts on Facebook, the ultimate guide. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to restore deleted posts on Facebook, the ultimate guide. The very first thing we want to do is that I'm going to head over to my timeline right here. I'll click on my profile picture here to go to my timeline. Then from my timeline right here, I'm going to delete this particular post. So I have to simply click on here, these three dots. Then I will make sure I look for move to trash. Then I'll click on move. So I have successfully deleted this post on my Facebook timeline. So let's see how to find it and restore it back into our Facebook timeline. So for us to do that, we simply go back to the Facebook homepage. Then from the homepage right here, next thing we need to do is to simply click on this three slider. Then we have to simply scroll down. Then we make sure we look for setting and privacy. So I'm going to click on that. It takes us to this page. Next thing we want to do here is to simply navigate to privacy shortcuts. Then we have to simply scroll down and navigate to activity log. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and navigate to trash. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this box right here to check on the one you want to restore. Or better still, you want to restore all your deleted trash, simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on restore. So right here, it's going to ask you, items you restore to your profile can be seen by your audience that are selected before they were moved. Then click on restore. Boom, it has been restore item to profile. Let's quickly go back to my profile. Then my profile. So by the time I scroll down right here and refresh my profile, all the item that was restored back is going to be found right here. So you can see them right here. So let me refresh. So we have all the three items restored back successful. So this is how to simply restore deleted posts on your Facebook timeline. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.